let's go over how to do a grade check. I feel like some of us may have forgotten all of the details that we need to do. So what we are going to do first is we are going to pull up a class. So we're going to have our grade check open. It's going to look like this. We're going to have our class that we need to record our grades open in another tab. So remember, you need to fill in each blank. Okay, so first hour, what do I have first hour? I have math. What do I have second hour? Second hour I have language arts. I need to fill out my grade. Some classes put percents and like letter grades. Some classes only put percents. So either one of those is okay. You need to put your number of missing assignments, and then you need to tell me what those assignments are. Sometimes it might be easier to just put in what the missing assignments are and then add them up at the end. Okay. For this, I am going to look at language arts. So I'm going to see that my overall grade is a C+. So I'm going to go to my grade check sheet, and put in C+. Let's show you a quick way. So something that you should be looking at is if you have one of these little blue papers, I guess we'll call it, that means that you submitted an assignment. So if we look at like this one, it says it's missing, but we submitted something. You probably submitted it late and that your teacher hasn't had a second to grade it yet. If it sits like that for more than a few days, that'd be a great time to message your teacher and just ask them to look at that nicely. Excuse means that you don't have to do it. So if you already have that in there, you don't need to copy that over to your sheet. If I did not pass an assignment, that's something that I should redo. Okay, so I can copy this. All I need to do is highlight, push Control C, go to my grade check sheet. Oops, wrong section. Delete. And then I know that I need to redo that assignment. The cool thing about just copying and pasting it into this document is it becomes a live link. So you can use your grade check during work time, and you can just click on the assignment that you need to work on, and it'll take you right there. Now we're going back and forth. Okay, so let's practice doing that again. I'm going to push enter a few times. I'm going to see what's my next thing that's missing. Oh, I see this says it's missing, but I have my puzzle piece there. So again, my teacher just has to look at that. I'm not going to copy and paste that over, but I do need to be looking at it to make sure that it doesn't sit there for too long. We don't get notifications when things get turned in late, so you need to tell us sometimes. So the next one is my metaphor and simile review. So I'm going to push Control C. After I highlight it, I'm going to go to my grade check, Control V. And I just keep doing that for all of the assignments that I might be missing. I hope this helps. I hope this is a tool that you can use and it'll be a little bit more effective if you are just going back and forth. Remember, just have two tabs open. If you need to do a split screen, if that's easier for you, do that as well. Get to working.